Good morning, all my dear students, and welcome again to your EVS 1 online class. Myself, Miss Rupal, your EVS 1 teacher. Students, in the previous class, I explained you fourth lesson of your EVS 1 subject, and the name of the lesson was Water Safe for Drinking. And today I want to share the notes of this lesson with you. So students, please be ready with your combined book number 1 and remove page number 95. So students, first question is fill in the blanks. A. Substances like salt and sugar dash after some time when added to water. So in the blank you have to write dissolve. DISSOLVE, dissolve. Question 1b. The mixture obtained on dissolving a substance in water is called a dash. So the answer is solution. SOLUTION, solution. Question 1c. ORS is an example of dash solutions. So in the dash you have to write rehydration. REHYDRATION, rehydration. Now students, remove page number 96. Question 1D. All microorganisms are not useful. Some can cause dash if they enter our body. So in the blank you have to write harm. HARM, harm. Now question 1E. Things that float in water are dash than it, and the things that sink are dash than it. So in the first blank you have to write lighter. LIGHTER, lighter. And in the second blank you have to write heavier. HEAVIER. Now question 1F. A substance called dash is swilled in muddy water to help clean the water. So in the blank you have to write alum. ALUM, alum means fitkiri. Now question number 2. Say true or false. A. Alum powder does not dissolve in water. So the answer is false, because alum powder dissolve in water, and here it is written not dissolve in water. So you have to write false. Now question 2b. Microorganisms cannot live in water. So the answer is false. Now question 2c. If muddy water remains still, a sediment is formed at its bottom. So the answer is true. Question 2d. An eraser floats in water. So the answer is false because eraser sink in water. Now question 2e. Tea leaves can be separated from tea by filtration. So the answer is true. Now students, remove page number 97, question number 4. Complete the table. Write the information you obtained from the floating, sinking experiment in the table below. Repeat the experiment with other things besides those mentioned in the lesson. Write their names too in the proper places in the table. So here are 3 columns are there: things, this sink and this float. So given in the lesson, this sink, in that column you have to write eraser, 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 sharpener, 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 steel spoon, STEELSPOON, steel spoon, nail, 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 screw, 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 STONES, stones, and COIN, coin. And in the float column you have to write a plastic ruler, a pencil, a plastic spoon, groundnut shells, means मूंगफली के छिलके. Now in the other things you have to write steel pen and soil, and in the float column you have to write leaf and flower. You can write other options also. Okay students. Now question number 1 from the summative assessment. Explain the following terms. A. Solution. When a substance dissolves in water, a mixture of that substance and water is formed. This mixture is called the solution of that substance. Now question 1b. Settling. So the process of allowing heavier particles to settle to the bottom of still water is called settling. Now question 1c. Filtration. If we strain muddy water, it helps to make it clean. This process is called filtration. Now question 1d. Potable water. Water that does not endanger our health in any way when we drink it is called safe drinking water or potable water. Now question 1E. Microorganisms. Living things which are very small and cannot be seen with our eyes are called microorganisms. Now students, remove page number 98. F. Microscope. In order to see tiny living things, we need a microscope. It is an instrument. Now question number 2. Give reason. A. Sea water is salty to taste. Answer. Sea water has a lot constituents in it which make it salty. Full stop. Now question 2B. Water of different wells may have different tastes. Answer. The components of different wells are different. Hence, water of different wells may have different taste. Question 2C. Some things float on water while some things sink in it. Answer. The things that float are lighter than water and the things that sink are heavier than water. Now question number 4. Answer the following questions. A. Name the substances used to make the solution called lemon sharbat. Answer. Water, lemon juice, sugar and salt. नींबू पानी बनाने के लिए कौन सी चीज़ें यूज़ होती है? वाटर मीन्स पानी, लेमन जूस नींबू का रस, शुगर एंड सॉल्ट शक्कर और नमक. Now students, remove page number 99. Question 4B. Why is it that water that looks clean and transparent may not be fit for drinking? Answer. Since it may contain harmful microorganisms in it. Now question 4C. When making a sharbat, what do we do to make sugar dissolve quickly? शरबत में शक्कर अच्छे से फटाफट से मिक्स हो जाए उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं? So the answer is stir the solution with a spoon. उसको क्या करते हैं? चम्मच से शक्कर को पानी में मिक्स करते हैं. Now question 4D. Does oil float on water or sink in it? Answer. Oil floats on water. Oil means तेल. वो पानी में डूब जाएगा कि पानी के ऊपर फ्लोट करेगा, तैरेगा. So the answer is oil floats on water. Now, lastly we have the dictation words. Number 1, substances. 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 Second, dissolves. 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 Third one, solution. 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 Fourth one, container. 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 Fifth one, filtration. 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 Sixth one, settling. 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 Seventh one, microorganism. 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 Eighth one, microscope. 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 Ninth one, boiling. boiling. So students, here we have completed the notes of this lesson. Soon we will meet in the next class with a new lesson. Till then, stay home, stay safe.